Welcome to my kitchen laboratory. For over a decade, I've been obsessed with perfecting food storage, and I've made every mistake in the book. I've opened buckets that reeked, found bricks where powder should be, and thrown out more spoiled food than I care to admit. But all those failures led to a crucial discovery: 7 foods that are quietly going rancid in pantries everywhere, costing preppers thousands. The culprit? Oxidation, the invisible enemy that destroys flavor, nutrition, and your investment. Today, I'll reveal which foods spoil shockingly fast, why it happens, and how to stop wasting money for good. Grab your apron. Let's get to work. First up, let's talk about brown rice. It's a staple in many kitchens, and for good reason. Brown rice is often praised as the healthier choice, and you'll find it in countless recipes and diet plans. It's healthy, right? More fiber, more nutrients, and a wholesome, nutty flavor. What's not to love? People choose brown rice for its reputation as a superfood, packed with vitamins and minerals that white rice just can't match. But here's the catch. The very thing that makes brown rice nutritious is also its downfall. The oil in the bran layer, which is left intact during processing, is a ticking time bomb for rancidity. Unlike white rice, which has the bran and germ removed, brown rice keeps these parts, and with them, the oils that spoil quickly. Even if you store brown rice in sealed containers, oxidation starts breaking down those fats in just 3 to 6 months. That's right. No matter how airtight your jar or how cool your pantry, the clock is ticking from the moment you bring it home. The result? Bitter, oily, crayon-flavored rice you can't eat. The texture changes, the color darkens, and the smell is unmistakable. It's not just unappetizing, it's a waste of your hard-earned money and your precious storage space. I've seen preppers open 2-year-old brown rice and find it completely ruined. All that effort, all those resources, gone in an instant. It's a harsh lesson in food storage that many learn the hard way. The solution? Store white rice instead. White rice is almost pure starch, with the oils and bran removed, making it far more stable for long-term storage. It's the tried-and-true choice for preppers and anyone serious about building a reliable food supply. Properly stored with oxygen absorbers and in airtight containers, white rice can last 30 years or more without losing quality. That's decades of peace of mind, knowing your investment is safe. Yes, brown rice is more nutritious when it's fresh. But once it goes rancid, all those health benefits disappear. Rancid brown rice is not just worthless, it can actually be harmful if consumed. To make up for the nutrients lost in white rice, simply supplement your meals with beans, canned vegetables, or vitamin powders. This way, you get a balanced diet without risking your food supply. For everyday meals, brown rice is a great option if you use it up quickly. But for long-term storage, it's a liability you can't afford. Don't let your food investment betray you. Choose the stable option that will be there when you need it most. Let the health gurus keep their brown rice for fresh eating. When it comes to prepping, we'll take what actually lasts. In a crisis, reliability matters more than trends. Your future self and your family will thank you for making the smart choice today. Store what lasts, and you'll never be caught off guard. Next up, let's talk about nuts and seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses that so many of us love to snack on. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, these are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. They're a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. But here's the catch. Those very same unsaturated fats that make nuts and seeds so good for you are also their Achilles heel. These fats are unstable, and when exposed to oxygen, they start to break down. Even if you keep them in sealed bags, oxidation can sneak in and turn your nuts rancid in just a few months. Rancid nuts don't just taste bad, they can have a bitter, unpleasant flavor that's hard to ignore. Eating them can also upset your stomach, leaving you with more than just a bad taste in your mouth. Many preppers and health enthusiasts try to extend shelf life by vacuum sealing nuts, thinking this will keep them fresh for years. But unfortunately, even without air, the oils inside can still break down quickly at room temperature. So, what's the real solution? Cold storage. By refrigerating or freezing your nuts and seeds, you dramatically slow down the oxidation process and keep those healthy fats intact. In the fridge, nuts and seeds can last up to a year without losing quality. In the freezer, they can stay fresh for 2 years or even longer, making it a smart move for anyone who buys in bulk. The key is to treat nuts and seeds like you would any other perishable food. Don't just toss them in the pantry and forget about them. Give them the same care you'd give your fresh produce. Portion your nuts and seeds into freezer-safe containers or bags so you can grab just what you need without exposing the rest to air and temperature changes. It might take a little adjustment to your routine, but this simple mindset shift is the only way to truly protect your nutty investment and avoid disappointment down the road. Don't let your healthy snacks go to waste. Store them right and enjoy fresh, delicious nuts and seeds every time you reach for a handful. Let's talk about cooking oils. They're a staple in every kitchen, found in countless recipes, and used for everything from frying to baking. But not all oils are created equal, and understanding the differences can make a big impact on your cooking and your health. Most common oils, like canola or corn oil, are packed with polyunsaturated fats. While these fats are often marketed as heart-healthy, they're actually quite unstable when exposed to heat, light, or air. When these oils are exposed to the elements, oxidation happens quickly. This process breaks down the oil, causing it to go rancid in just a few months, even if the bottle is still sealed. The more often you open the bottle, the faster this process happens. Rancid oil has a distinct, unpleasant smell, often soapy, metallic, or even like old paint. Cooking with it can ruin the flavor of your food and may even introduce harmful compounds. Once you open a bottle, the clock starts ticking. Most oils begin to deteriorate within 3 to 6 months, losing their freshness and nutritional value. So, what's the solution for long-term storage? Choose saturated fats like coconut oil and ghee. These fats are much more stable and less likely to spoil. Coconut oil and ghee are solid at room temperature, which means they resist oxidation far better than liquid oils. They're perfect for cooking, baking, and even frying. Properly stored, coconut oil can last for years without going bad. Ghee, which is clarified butter, can last even longer, sometimes up to 5 years or more. For everyday use, it's smart to buy regular oils in small bottles. This way, you use them up quickly before they have a chance to spoil. For your deep pantry or emergency supplies, invest in coconut oil and ghee. They're reliable, versatile, and will keep your meals delicious for the long haul. No matter what oil you choose, always store it in a cool, dark place, away from heat and sunlight. This simple step can dramatically extend shelf life. Don't let your fat supply turn into a rancid disaster. Check your oils regularly, and when in doubt, throw it out. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Whole grain flour, wheat spelt rye, sounds healthy, but it's a storage nightmare. The oil in the wheat germ goes rancid fast once milled, giving flour a bitter taste in just a few months. White flour, stripped of the germ, lasts for years. Many preppers have lost entire stocks of whole wheat flour to rancidity. The fix store whole grains, not flour. Wheat berries and other whole grains are naturally sealed, protecting the oils inside. Stored in mylar bags or buckets with oxygen absorbers, they last 30 years or more. Grind them only as needed with a grain mill. You get fresh, nutritious flour on demand, no spoilage. Store the grain, not the flour. It's a simple shift that saves your investment. Spices are the soul of cooking, but pre-ground spices lose their flavor fast. The volatile oils that give spices their aroma evaporate and oxidize quickly once ground. Most ground spices are weak after 6 months, flavorless after a year. Storing pre-ground spices long-term is like hoping flat soda will fizz again. The solution: store whole spices, peppercorns, cloves, nutmeg, cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks. Whole spices protect their oils and stay potent for years in airtight containers. Grind them fresh with a spice grinder or mortar and pestle for maximum flavor. Audit your spice rack Ditch the old, flavorless jars. Build a long-term supply of whole spices and enjoy real flavor when it matters most. Here's a personal lesson. Oatmeal isn't as stable as you think. I once bought bulk rolled oats, sealed them in buckets, and stored them in my basement. 2 years later, I opened them to find a rancid, stale smell. Every bucket ruined. Oats contain natural fats that oxidize over time, especially if storage isn't perfect. My mistake? Treating oats like white rice, assuming they'd last forever. Oats are a medium-term food, good for 2 to 3 years with ideal storage. Buy the freshest oats you can, store them in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, and rotate your supply. Don't let oats sit for a decade. Use and replace them regularly. Respect their chemistry, and you'll always have nourishing oatmeal when you need it. Natural nut butters, just nuts and salt, seem perfect, but they're pantry saboteurs. Grinding nuts exposes all their oils to oxygen, making nut butters go rancid fast. Even unopened, natural nut butters can spoil in months at room temperature. Conventional peanut butters last longer because they contain hydrogenated oils and preservatives. If you prefer natural, store it in the fridge as soon as you buy or open it. Cold storage extends its life from a few months to 6 months or more. For even longer storage, freeze it in small containers. Don't treat natural nut butter as a shelf-stable item. Keep it cold and buy only what you'll use quickly. There you have it, 7 foods that can quietly ruin your pantry and your budget. Effective food storage is about understanding the chemistry of each item, not just sealing things in buckets. The common thread? Delicate oils that oxidize fast, even in perfect storage. Rancid foods aren't just gross, they can be harmful. Audit your pantry, learn from these mistakes, and protect your investment. Build a smarter, more resilient food supply. Being prepared means being truly ready, not just ready to be disappointed.